Download the MOOI app for the first time. Allow permissions according to the prompts. The software shows that there are still some permissions that are not allowed. Click to allow. Here shows the permissions that need to be open. Need the location information permissions. The controller is the dormant state. Click on any button to make it work. Click to add device. We'll search the device automatically. Click the icon to automatically connect the device. After the connection is successful, MOOI app will pop up. MOOI app is only connected in PS. Hit standard mode and Xbox mode to pop up. There are 4 sections in MOOI app. The key position can be changed in macro recording of key positions. The key position changes can change the arbitrary button to the keys you want. For example, the A/B key of the switch simulator is reversed. Here can set the reconstruction setting. Replace B with A. Click to confirm. It's same operation as other keys. If you want to restore the default configuration, there has a reset keys. Click to reset. The coming introduction is for macro recording. For example, if you want to set the back button and MEMO to the macro button, there are 4 triggers. Set it according to your own habits. Click Edit. Click to start recording. Record the button of your operation in turn. Click to stop recording after the operation button is completed. Click to save. It's same way with the macro recording of shortcut keys. The difference is time adjustment in MOOI app. Set it as your needs. Joystick part adjustable the dead zone for joystick and the reversal of XY. Its default value with the dead zone of toe. It's adjustable from 0 to 100 for dead zone. Set it as your needs. Here is the reversal adjustment of the X and Y of the joystick. After opening, the operating joystick will run in the opposite direction. Here is more joystick setting. It's available to change the joystick to the direction key, or the direction key is changed to the joystick. Set it as your needs. There is a question mark next to each function in the app. Click the question mark all to do the corresponding function introduction. The response curve means that the reaction of joystick, namely quick or slow. The first point in front of the dragging curve can be pulled up to make the joystick react faster in the early stage. The first point behind the drag curve can pull down to make the joystick react slowly in the later stage. Set it as your needs. It's not suggest to adjust this part. Trigger part, the adjustable dead zone and fast trigger. It's available to adjust the dead zone of the trigger. Its default value is for the initial itinerary of trigger. The smaller the initial itinerary of trigger, the more sensitive it trigger. Its default value is 98 for the ending itinerary of trigger. The initial itinerary of trigger is also adjusted to 0 dead zone. It's the ending itinerary of trigger. The larger it is, the shorter itinerary. The smaller the adjustment, the longer itinerary. Set it as your needs. There has a little dead zone by default so as to avoid mistakes. It's both available to adjust the left and right trigger. It's the switch of fast trigger. You can convert the linear trigger into the fast trigger mode. Motor vibration part is adjustable correlation vibration and vibration strength. For example, set up any button. Use X key to show. Click to confirm the setting complete. Press the X key and then vibrate. The vibration strength of the motor can be adjusted. There are 6 vibration strength for adjust. Click the vibration test button to perform the test. If no needed vibration, then click on it again to cancel the vibration. After setting, click save and exit. The return rate also can be adjusted. Click on the setting here. There are 3 choices. The default value is 205 Hz. The highest value is 500 Hz. If the mobile phone configuration is not high enough, it's recommended to choose 125 Hz or 205 Hz for playing. 500 is recommended to configure mobile phones with high version. It's the test interface. All keys can be tested. It's available to check key functions.